In this video, I'll guide you through how to insert an image in a Gmail email. We'll go from opening a new message to adding your image to sending it off. So by the end, you'll be comfortable doing this on your own in just a few clicks. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once you're on your inbox page, look for the Compose button, usually in the top left corner. Click Compose and a new message window will pop up, either in the bottom right corner or as a full screen window, depending on your settings. Before you add your image, it helps to set up your email. Type in the recipient's email address in the To field, add a clear subject line, and if you'd like, start writing a bit of your message in the main body area. Placing your cursor is important. Click exactly where you want the image to appear in the message. If you want the image at the top, click at the very beginning of the email. If you want it between two paragraphs, click in that spot so Gmail knows where to insert it. Next, look along the bottom toolbar of the Compose window. You should see a small icon that looks like a picture or a landscape. This is the Insert Photo icon. Click that icon to open the image options. A panel will appear giving you different ways to add your picture, such as uploading from your computer, using images that are already in your Google Photos, or sometimes inserting by web address. If the image is saved on your computer, choose the upload option. You can usually drag and drop the file directly into the box, or click to browse and select it from your folders. Give it a moment to upload. You'll see a small preview once it's ready. If the image is already in your Google Photos or was used recently, you can switch to those tabs, click the image you want, and it will be highlighted as your selection. After you've uploaded or selected your image, look for the option to insert it into the email. Click Insert, and Gmail will place the image right where your cursor was. Take a look at how it appears in the message. If it's too big or too small, click the image once. You'll usually see size options like small, best fit, or original size, and you can choose the one that looks best. You can also press enter before or after the image to create space so your text doesn't feel cramped. Now read through your email to make sure everything looks the way you want. Check the recipient, the subject line, your written text, and the position of your image. When you're satisfied with how it all appears, you're ready to send. Finally, click the send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Gmail will send your email with the image embedded right inside the message, so the recipient can see it immediately without needing to open an attachment. That's all there is to it. You've composed a message, inserted your image, adjusted it, and sent the email all within Gmail.